Hi, I'm Justin from Reverie Movies. This is the second in the series. The first one that I did went through the basics of the arrangement view and the different types of clips that you can create, covering opening shot, covering continuation clips, intercut clips, character intro clips, and so it basically that basically walks you through the different types of clip scenarios that you can create. I also covered adding a character and for character continuity across different scenes and across keep having this making sure that you has it has the same similarities across your movie. We covered exporting. Um, so today, what we're going to cover is the timeline view, uh, which is this. Timeline view is pretty useful for like generating like a music video, probably, because what you can do is you can upload a track, and we're going to do this in a minute. You upload a track, and you can then have clips come in at specific points in time, and you can move the you can do things like drag your clips around on the timeline to have them come in exactly the right time. And it's it's a different way of it's a different workflow basically than just going through the clip editor, where you're just generating clips um, and trying to put them in sequence. So let's just to show you what I did before. Here's one I made earlier. Uh, this is a music video that that I came up with. So it's a really cheesy, cringy music video with me in it. But this is my original music. Anyway, it's pretty terrible. And yeah, I didn't spend a lot. I didn't spend too much time on it. So I'm sure you guys could come up with a much better version if you put the time in. Um, but I was just throwing it together just so I could make a tutorial. So, but this shows the timeline view. It shows that I've uploaded a track, and it what do you call it? It shows there's the timeline, there's the clips, and I'll just walk you through some of the features of the timeline that are different from arrangement view. So you can turn audio on and off. Uh, you can play. You can play all from it. So that way you can sequence through. Um, this is the playhead as well. You can drag the playhead around, and you can have it play at specific points in time. So let's say you're working on, say, a particular point in the clip. You can move the playhead there and start working there. Um, as you can see here, I've there's drag on and off. You can zoom in and out. You can anchor. You can set the uh, snap so that it snaps to a specific, and you can set what your snap um, length is. You can not snap at all. This is the zoom. Sorry, this is you can zoom in and out to get for a really fine tuned. So yeah, it's there's the whole thing nearly in the one. So you can specify how long you want it to be. So you wanted to cut off. So the export will only go down as far as a certain amount. Very good. Um, that sent an error. Um, you can also you can upload multiple tracks even. So let's say you had and this could be used not just for music videos, but you could like have a track that has all the vocals in it, another track that has all some certain effects, and another track that has other types of things happening or whatever. And and it will blend all that audio in, and you can have the track. You can even drag the track to specific points. So you could have like one audio track come in at a certain amount of time, another audio track coming in another amount of time, and you can get very creative with this. You can set fades and stuff like. There's a bug there underneath effects. Um, oh yeah, so you can set controls over your audio, mute, fade, solo, fade off, fade in. So there's some funky stuff in there you can do. Um, you can anchor the clip to a specific point in time. So even if you drag other ones around it, that clip doesn't change. Um, it just allows a lot more creativity in what you can do. So anyway, I think I covered everything. It's yeah, give it a go. Um, that's the timeline view, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.